Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first method, click to start and type device manager. Open it. Click to extract sound. Select the speaker. Right click to uninstall and uninstall. Then again click to actions and then click hardware changes. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start. Type services.ms services. Open it. Then press find out the Windows update. Press W. So this is Windows update. Select this and click on restart. Now audio Windows audio endpoint, this is also click to restart and then close it. Then open any browser. Type Realtek audio driver. Go to Dell this. And if you are using suppose Dell, Lenovo, HP, so go to official website and then you can download. So this is site. Scroll down and click to download. Now it is started. It will take some time depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed. Then it is completed. Then single click to open. Then click to yes. Then install. Then click to next. Yeah. So it is complete. No. And then finish. Okay. Then next. Click to start. Type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Okay. Then type this command. Okay. I will give you a description so you can copy and paste first this one and second this. So now, so first is ongoing. When it is completed, then need to enter the second one. So it will stuck anywhere, then you have to click enter, so it will start again. Then this one completed, then use this SFC scan, type SFC space scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start some percentage. Okay, it will, and this command is very important for your system and any other issues. Okay, so when it is 100% completed, then need to restart your system and then please check it. Okay, thank you.